In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a birthday card on Google Slides. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to open Google Slides. You'll find it easily on your browser by going to slides.google.com. Once you're there, you'll see the option to start a new presentation. Click on Blank Presentation to begin with a fresh canvas. Starting with a blank slate gives you full creative control. Next up, navigate to the top menu and click on File, then choose Page Setup. This is where you can customize the size of your card. Select Custom from the options, and then enter your desired dimensions such as 5 by 7 inches. This step is crucial because it sets the size for printing later. Now, you'll notice some default text boxes on your slide. Go ahead and delete those. Click on each one and simply hit the Delete key. Removing these placeholders clears the space, allowing you to design without distractions. At this point, let's add some flair by setting a background. Click on Slide in the menu, then select Change Background. You can choose either a solid color or upload an image. This background sets the tone for your card, so pick something that resonates with the birthday theme. With the background ready, it's time to add a title to your card. Go to Insert, then click on Text Box. Place your text box appropriately and type out Happy Birthday. Make sure the font size and style are celebratory and easily readable. The title is the first thing people will see, so make it stand out. Now let's make the card visually appealing by adding images or decorations. Click on Insert again and choose Image. Here you can upload images of balloons, cakes, gifts, or anything else that fits the occasion. Adding visuals makes your card engaging and lively. After you've placed your images, it's time to add a personal touch with a birthday message. Use another text box for this. Go to Insert, then Text Box, and type your heartfelt message. This message is the essence of your card, so make sure it's sincere and thoughtful. Now let's refine the overall look by adjusting fonts, colors, and layout. Select different fonts and colors that complement each other and the theme. Pay attention to spacing and alignment, ensuring everything looks balanced. This step enhances the aesthetic appeal of your card. Take a moment to review your card and make any final edits. Double-check the text for typos and ensure the images are correctly placed. This review step is important as it ensures everything is perfect before sharing. Finally, it's time to save your creation. Go to File, then Download, and choose either PDF or PNG format. Choosing the right format depends on how you plan to use the card. PDF is great for printing, while PNG is perfect for sharing digitally. You've now created a beautiful birthday card using Google Slides. Isn't it amazing how simple and creative you can be with just a few steps? This process not only saves time, but also allows for a personal touch that store-bought cards can't offer. So, go ahead and try creating cards for other occasions too. Thanks for watching, and happy creating!